Hello, welcome back. Here's your tech informant. I just finished my last live stream some minutes ago and I thought I should make this video before time takes it off from me. Now there's this creator that reached out to me and I would like to share his experience with the community. It's not a sweet one, but it is what it is. So now this is what actually happened. This creator reached out to me some months ago about monetizing his channel. I not told him that he's going to join my AdSense support, but he felt that possibly maybe the fee for that particular program is too high for him. He was expecting about $2,600. So this is what he shared with me. This is the money he was expecting. So now along the line, he felt that he can do it on his own, and this is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, so that I know someone else might also be a victim of this. Now he's expecting $2,612.71. so he felt that my AdSense support was too high for him to sign up for. Here you can see this was around August, September, October. So this is the screenshot of his AdSense and statement, something like that. So unfortunately, this particular money that he has in his AdSense account, he will end up not getting this money. So he later reached out to me and then shared this screenshot to me that he's back, that he wants me to help him to resolve this issue and get his $2,612 from his AdSense account. So unfortunately, I told him that with what I'm seeing here, the screenshot he shared with me, there's no way he will possibly get this money. It's like almost impossible. So now if like here, if I zoom in, you can see the error message here. It says identity verification failed verification. That is the status. Your ads have stopped serving as we couldn't verify some of your information. Then you need to click here to learn more. So now what does all this tell, or how did it get into this issue? It's a mistake that I know I've seen creators making this same mistake time after time, but some, fortunate for them, they don't have that much money in their AdSense account. But this is the first creator that I will see that has over $2,000 that made this mistake. So now what could have caused this problem? When it gets to the identity verification, we have the two types of identity verification. We have the online identity verification and we have the typical one, the one that you need to submit your identity and also wait for a PIN to come in your AdSense account. Now, whichever verification you are trying to do, apart from the PIN, anything that relates to identity verification, in some cases, if you attempt it 3 times, there's every chances that you have exhausted the opportunity for you to verify it again. And in this situation, anything you have in your AdSense account will be taken. That means YouTube has suspended that AdSense account, and I've not seen any creator up till now. I think I've had a lot of, at least more than up to 20 creators who have had this problem, and none of them later came back to tell me that they eventually solved this problem. If they did, I would have shared it on this channel. Now a lot of you have asked, like in Nigeria we have the paper ID, the NIN, you have the paper version, and we have the 𝗕𝗃, the plastic one. So any ID you want to submit, whether international passport, whether driver's license, NIN, or voter's card, make sure you are submitting a copy of the original card, the original card, not the paper copy, but the one in plastic. So it's also the same with for other countries. Any document you want to submit, make sure you snap or you submit a copy of that particular document. You get the point. And I'll also share on the screen some of the things you need to do. Make sure that the images, the copy are very clear and the edges are not cut off, when you are submitting them. So all these are what could make AdSense to reject your submission. And when you try it 3 times, in some cases up to 5 times, they will now suspend your account, and anything you have in that AdSense account will be forfeited. Thus, you won't get access to it. I've tried it since way back 2021. That there's a particular issue, a creator that had over $400. I think I made a video back then regarding this issue. Up to today, that $400, the creator is still seeing that money, but he can't do it. He can't get it out. So possibly maybe in the future, YouTube or Google, AdSense they might find a way to resolve this problem. So when you are trying to verify your identity in AdSense, make sure you are using the right document. 1, make sure the copy you are submitting is very clear, not blurry, not no reflection and all that. Make sure everything is as clear as the sun. You get the point. Because any mistake you make, if you attempt it, like I always say 3 times, because I know most times most cases is 5 times, but I always say if you have already attempted it 3 times, just know that you are walking on a tiny rope. Anything can happen. There's a particular creator that I helped one time. He tried it, I think, up to 3 times before he reached out to me. So what the major thing I now have to do was, I told him, okay, this could be the last chance for you to submit your ID at the copy. Submit the ID. So I told him, now this time around, you are not going to do it indoors. Take your card with your phone, take it outside on a sunny day, just take the picture and submit it. And he just tried it once and it worked for him. So just could be that possibly you are snapping it in a dark space or indoors. So it's better you go where that is well lit, and then make a copy of it. So I just thought I should share this video because I know someone is about to make this mistake right now, and this video could save someone. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have experienced this before or you have met someone that have had this challenge before. Let us know in the comment section. And also, if you have any other question relating to AdSense identity verification, you can also drop your question in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So thank you very much. I'm going to go live possibly this weekend so that we can talk more about avoiding some mistakes while we're trying to monetize our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.